Hi. So, it's a short video and it's a message to you and it's a message to myself as well. And na-experience ko na rin ito, no? But gusto ko tong ulit-ulitin kasi it really changed my life. And ito yon. Letting go means accepting the blessings of God, right? Let that sink in and expand ko siya. So, remember the times, no, na you have something and gusto mong i-let go itong bagay na ito, but 'di ba yung pakiramdam na ang hirap, I cannot let this go kasi maybe things will fall apart or hindi ako sanay na wala ito, 'di ba? Yung pakiramdam na ganun. But I want you to realize this. Maybe there's a blockage, no? Like kaya hindi pumapasok yung blessing sa'yo, it's because you're not letting go. No? You are not letting go sa mga bagay na kailangan nang i-let go. Right? Ayun. No? Because napaka-importante nito. And alam mo, ginawa ko ito actually. No? Kasi dati, no, grabe, sa past ko, it's really hard for me way back to end things, to let go of something. Kasi lifestyle nasanay, 'di ba? If nasanay ka na, mahirap i-let go 'yan. But alam mo, I'm glad na tinulungan ako ng current partner ko and at the same time with the help of God, no? Na I get to let go of things na nag-hold back sa akin. Napaka-blessed ko to realize that and I hope you realize that too as well. And here's the thing, hindi mo kailangan ng partner and hindi mo rin kailangan ng ibang tao to tell you that, no? Maybe itong video na to more on awareness lang siya for you. But I hope dumating sa point ng buhay mo na ma-realize mo na, oh, oo nga no, diba? Maybe kaya hindi pumapasok yung blessings, it's because binablock siya ng mga ayaw ko i-let go ngayon. Diba? So, ayun, fast forward now, grabe, I'm really blessed, have a loving partner, I love myself, ang ganda ng relationship ko with my family, no? We're building something for our future, no? And ang masasabi ko lang talaga, will palagi ni God, no? Always will ni God ang matutupad. So, yeah, be mindful, no? If hindi pumapasok ang blessing sa'yo, maybe ask yourself, ano kaya yung kailangan kong i-let go ngayon para pumasok ang blessings. So, yeah, yun lang naman. Take care.